Corporation tax has come into the UAE. Oh, we knew it was coming, but it's here. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you all about how it works, if it applies to you, and everything that you need to know. So, when did it come in? 1st of June 2023 is the official date that it has come in. But remember, it is for accounting periods beginning on or after the 1st of June 2023. So, for example, if you have a December year end, then you won't have to worry about corporation tax until the year beginning 1st of January 2024. Now, corporation tax is 9% in the UAE, and that is for profits above 375,000 dirhams. There is a misconception that free zones don't have to pay corporation tax. Wrong. Free zones may be exempt from paying corporation tax and be allowed to pay 0% if you meet the requirements. Corporation tax applies to all businesses in the UAE, including freelancers and foreign entities that have a permanent establishment here. Now, qualifying free zones will be allowed to apply a 0% corporation tax rate if they meet the requirements, which will be that they have economic substance, that they have audited accounts, and that they have not transacted with the mainland at any point. Also, in order to be a qualifying free zone, you must have qualifying income. Now, the government haven't actually announced what qualifying income is yet, so let's wait and see what happens with that. Also, you must comply with transfer pricing requirements. Lots of people have been saying things like, oh, it's fine, I'll just put a salary through my company and reduce my profits down to nothing so I won't pay any tax. Not going to be able to do that. Transfer pricing rules will stop anybody putting what is not a commercial rate of salary through their companies to avoid paying tax. Sorry. In terms of maintaining adequate substance, we understand that this is going to be along the lines of having a proper office that you operate from. If the FTA were to turn up at your premises, you would be there operating your business from it. So until we get further guidance, I don't really have any more information on that, but it's something to be aware of. As I mentioned, you will need to have audited accounts. This is not a legal requirement, and free zone companies can actually avoid having an audit if it's not a requirement of their trade license. But if you want to avoid paying 9% corporation tax, you're going to need to have an audit. Regardless of whether you need to pay corporation tax or not, you will still need to submit a company tax return and a set of accounts. So even if your company has never traded, you need to make sure that you register and that you're able to submit company tax returns. If you need any help with this, please get in touch. Many free zone company owners have not bothered doing accounts in the past because there's not been any tax to pay. That is now going to change. You must have accounts prepared to international accounting standards. And like I mentioned, you also have to do a company tax return. We can help you with all of this. So in a nutshell, corporation tax is here, it's 9%. It's going to apply to profits above 375,000 dirhams. It applies to all businesses, free zone companies and freelancers unless you are exempt, and you must register and submit a company tax return. I hope this has been helpful. If you've got any questions, pop them below and I'll do my best to answer them. Also, our contact details are on the next slide if anybody needs any help with accounts or company tax work in the UAE. See you next time.